front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then click on alarm over here if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Following that, select allow and set up an hour. When you're ready, pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones and choose alarm name. Then label your alarm however you wish to, select done on your keyboard and click on the sworders next to all of those features, alarm sound, vibrations and snooze to disable or enable them. After that, you need to choose snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back, choose vibration and select one of those vibration patterns for your alarm by tapping on the best one for you, or disable it completely by choosing silent. Go back, click on alarm sound and pick one of those melodies. After choosing ringtone, like that one, then you can click on the switcher. You can click on the switcher next to those two features to enable or disable them and adjust them. But you can also change the volume of your alarm by swiping left. Alright! If you wish to, you can always go into alarm sound, select ringtone, but this time click on this plus sign at the top right corner. Then pick music from your smartphone. Choose done at the top right corner over here and go back. To save your alarm, click save over here, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to get rid of it, you need to hold it. Click on this bin icon over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!